On the world stage, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor is redefining the future of the automobile industry with innovation as the driving force and quality as the core. From the very beginning, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor has always stood at the forefront of innovation in the industry. For decades, we have relied on technological innovation and globalization strategy to break through and create one miracle after another. Every vehicle in our factory carries state-of-the-art technology. Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor ensures the highest standards of performance, quality, and safety in every vehicle based on superior R&D capabilities. From commercial vehicles to passenger cars, we are technology-driven and innovation-led, and we currently export to more than 80 countries and have more than 100 distributors around the world. Intelligent manufacturing is our core competitiveness. Each vehicle undergoes precise manufacturing and rigorous testing to ensure high quality and excellent performance, providing users with the most reliable travel protection. Star Ocean Series, combining technology, comfort, and power, redefining high-end traveling experience. No matter where it is, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor is providing global customers with high-quality traveling solutions. We know that true success cannot be achieved without the efforts and dedication of every employee. Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor adheres to the people-oriented principle, focuses on cultivating teamwork and innovation, and unites the team's efforts and wisdom in the production process of every vehicle. From design to manufacturing, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor integrates innovation into every detail. Our designers and engineers work closely together to break through technical bottlenecks and create automotive products with both aesthetics and performance. In the future, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor will continue to lead technological innovation and green mobility. Intelligent, environmentally friendly, and digitalized, we are fully prepared for the future development of the automotive industry, moving towards a smarter and more sustainable new era. Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, born for the future. Today we walk hand in hand. Tomorrow we move forward together. For more information, please visit our official website.